So we're at El Cortez and I'm here with Kenny, the owner. Very nice to meet you.
How are you? Nice meeting you too.
Awesome. Beautiful place. Yeah. You have a great day. What are we taking? We're taking this one. Oh, turn it on. AC 104. So there's El Cortez. Now I gotta find parking.
How you guys doing today?
Doing great, thank you.
Good.
It's first time here, we're excited.
You're gonna love the place. Everything's within walking distance.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, great restaurants all over there. All right, so you're gonna be here for 3 nights. Checking in today, Thursday the 15th, leaving Sunday the 18th. You have one of our tower premium rooms with a king bed with a view of the mountains right over there. Those are one of our best rooms.
Here we are, Tower Elevators, 1508 is our room. Look at this. Wow. Decor in this bathroom is, look at this, you have your separate pooping and shower area. So we're here for 3 nights and supposedly we have a very good view. Look at this little vanity area to do my makeup and cool my hair. Is this open? Nope, you can't go out there. You can't go out and jump off the building. Look at that. That's nice, huh? Yeah, if you want to, you could try to sneak out of this window right here while taking a shower. Well, it's not that big. Waters, coffees. Nice and clean. So this is hers, like always, and that's his over there.
Yeah.
So much. Oh, that's cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And that is
Chicken parmesan.
chicken parmesan. We got French dip. Enter the puss. Well, that's how I play bubble craps. Pussy! Oh my god, I look like a tourist right now. Look at me. We are downtown Fremont Street. Got $20 here. I'm at the D and I'm putting it in electronic roulette. And you know what I'm gonna bet on? I'm gonna put $20 on odd because I'm kind of odd. And it is a 0. Piece of shit. So we just walked from over there and we are at the Plaza. And we're gonna walk in smoke-free section. After she gets a drink. We are at Carousel Bar. Cheers. This is strong. Lucky there's no alcohol in it. Oh god, brain freeze. Brian Christopher's slots at the Plaza.
It's for sitting.
It's for chilling.
Oh. I feel like it's gonna fall. I can't.
We are winning. And we're at Binion's. And we sat down at the game that she won at last time. And we have $111.90.
Yeah.
We're gonna play $5.
Okay.
Are you ready?
We're ready. Let's go.
Here we go. I'm never playing this game ever again. What happened here?
I won.
Oh my goodness gracious.
How'd you do?
I lost $5. I saw you winning, so I wanted to run in and see. Save it!
Oh.
That's pretty good.
I did 50 cents. $25.
bet. A $1 dinar.
1 cent dinar. That's pretty good.
Oh, 1 cent
So
dinar.
you
Sorry.
won 300 and something dollars on this machine
Right?
with a dollar bet. That's pretty good. Good job.
Nice.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We need coffee. Good morning.
I need coffee. Yes.
We need coffee.
No, we need coffee.
All right, El Cortez. I think I have free play and dining voucher. Let's see here. Free play summer getaway. Ooh, look at that. $25 dining voucher and then free play. Free play has been automatically added to my card. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to prove my free play right here, right? And then all of a sudden, this young lady.
Young?
Get this! Oh, congratulations! Smack, 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 smack. Get the major splat, major splat.
Aww.
Come on! Ooh, I saw another minor in there. Save it! Oh, look at that! Congratulations! Hey. Are you gonna give it back? Cha-ching! Wow! We're up now! Again. Congratulations!
Thank you. How would you set the board if we're
Okay,
doing one
she wants to do one good roll.
one roll?
Okay, $15 left. What numbers have we gone? 5?
5 and 8
and 8
and 9.
and 9. Here we go. This is one good roll.
One good roll.
Here we go. We just put in $100 and did one roll.
Oh my god.
We are at Bellagio. And we're gonna do a walk to the gardens. Give me some money. Give me some money. Here we go. Let's see what happens here.
What is that?
So you have to get 5 of those to get $2.50, 6 of those to get that. So we'll see what we get here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got $7.50. Yeah, that's why I was trying to play the higher denom, because the higher denom you get higher ticket numbers. Yeah. Boom. Give me a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! $50. Cool. Yeah, now you see I wanted to do it at high gear, but nothing was happening. Boom. Give me some more. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1. Go. Give me some more. Give me some more. 1. Oh. Last one. Give me a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, well. How much did I put in? Oh, really? We won $10. Alright, well, that's good enough for me. Collect. That was, no backup spins. I'm good. As we were leaving, they changed the lighting in here. take a quick gander over here with all these lights. All right, take a gander with us through the Wynn Casino. What is that?
Lemon drop.
Lemon
Finally.
drop. Remember in our videos, she likes the lemon drop?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. We are playing Cleopatra. We are big ballers, everybody. Put in, we wasted 100 or invested 100 already to try to get this because it's maxed out, and we saw this hit and I needed like 2 more balls, so
We're gonna chase it.
we'll let you know what happens. It's getting very close to nothing.
Not even a good line pay. No, take that.
Oh my god, I got it. Oh, we want this because it's maxed out.
This
Or
is
is
good.
that too? Or this too, that's fine. We want any of those. Ready? Here we go. Save it, save it, save it. Give me some more, please. More, anything. Yes! Yes! We have money to play today!
Oh, we got our new back country.
More. Yay! How about we want one of those. Come on. Come on. Let's see here. Ready?
Ready.
Go. I want a word.
I know. I mean,
Save it. Please.
One more.
Pretty please. I'll play you some more later today. Come on. I saw a 500 ball there. Oh, how much did we win?
Definitely already back. $340. We're good.
We got our money back. One backup spin to get a splat.
Yeah, just one backup.
One. Pot!
Look that. That would have been nice. Right?
Good. We are stopping by Durango because they have good food here. We ate here last time. It's really good. It's Durango. So what's cool about this casino is that they got windows wide open so you can see what time you need to go home. Yeah, let's go. Follow me as we go to our favorite food spot. Follow us as we go put our name on the Shang Artisan, because I know you like to look out at stuff, so I will sacrifice looking at the waitresses here. Noodle soup. Oh, the wonton noodle soup is bomb. I'm getting that. So they make their own noodles here, which is I'll walk over by the window so you can see after, but yeah, this is how they're making the noodles here. Look at that. Look at this wonton noodle soup. That pork belly, oh my goodness. And a Pepsi, whatever. Not a Coke. It's pretty. Look where we're at. Oh my goodness. We got some colorful rocks. El Cortez, thank you for the room. El Cortez, thank you for the room. We appreciate it. It's time to go home.